Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 9A and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode with the back camera. So to get access to mirror effect we have to change it to the front, and we can do it by using this button here and just simply tapping on this. And here we are. Now let's go to more advanced options. So let me tap on this button here in the right corner and it opens as more settings. Now let's move here to this button from the left. When we tap on this we can open the advanced camera settings. And in the modes, at the second place we have the mirror front camera option. So by using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that. And this is how it works. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.